Manufacturing a fast machine is one thing, but being able to provide a perfect anti-collision system with an advanced height-sensing unit is another challenge. The cutting head is one of the most important components of a fibre laser in order to avoid collision. It is of key importance for the hand to react as fast as possible. Laser manufacturers struggle with the challenge of providing an effective collision avoidance system. This is due to the constant demand to increase power and speed of fibre lasers. The cutting head must follow a material surface no matter how uneven and travel with sufficient high speed. After years of development, Kimla have achieved one of the most advanced anti-collision systems available for the fibre lasers on the market today. This is why Kimla have designed a new generation height measurement unit. This system is capable of faster reactions and the precise adjustment of the head position. The movement, driven by double-sided, powerful linear motors, in which the power has been increased threefold without increasing the motor's mass, makes it 20 times faster than the competition. With this system, you can forget about nozzle strikes and collisions for good.